Hi everyone, our friend Vuva has provided a new update from Tesla Gigafactory Shanghai and explains why the maintenance overhaul. It's not due to chip, but it's because of the maintenance. Vuva, who flew his drone yesterday over Giga Shanghai, says although the second phase of Tesla's Shanghai factory was in the overhaul phase from 13th to 16th of August, the factory was not as lively as usual when he flew his drone, but the new cars in the parking area are slowly getting ready, and new Model 3s at Giga Shanghai are constantly added to it. Trucks carrying new cars. It also travels between factories from one building to other. A friend asked Vuva if the discontinuation, the overhaul, is related to the chip shortage, but the news Vuva says he got from the insider is that the discontinuation is for maintenance only. Only the factory knows whether the chip is missing, but judging from the production capacity, Tesla Shanghai plant looks normal right now, and it's a good news. Now, you know, Tesla Gigafactory Shanghai is now a primary vehicle export hub for Tesla. Tesla recently revealed that Gigafactory Shanghai has fully transitioned to being the company's primary export hub. Giga Shanghai has been instrumental to Tesla's record deliveries this year, so it may not be surprising that it has become the company's main export center. Due to strong US demand and global average cost optimization, we have completed the transition of Gigafactory Shanghai as the primary vehicle export hub, wrote Tesla in its Q2 2021 update later. Before the Q2 earnings call, Tesla revealed that Model Y deliveries in Europe would begin this quarter. As per Tesla's recent update later, European demand remains well above supply, causing lengthy wait times for delivery. So far, Giga Shanghai export have been helping the Fremont factory meet the demand for Tesla cars in Europe. Speaking of these lengthy wait times, when Giga Berlin comes to operation, it's going to be a huge release for Tesla and for Giga Shanghai because of Shanghai export nightmare. So, but Tesla Model Y exports to Europe will start strong with 8,210 units in first month. Maria Merano has reported on Tesla Reddit that Tesla China exported 8,210 Model Y vehicles to Europe in July, starting off the third quarter strong. This is an impressive number as it corresponds to the first batch of Model Y sent to Europe from the company's newly christened export hub. I didn't like that word Christian, but it newly started export hub because Christianization is only for baptism. So besides its Model Y export stats, Tesla China also pointed out that its wholesale sales reached 32,968 units, resulting in a year-over-year increase of 199%. In July 2020, the China Association of Automobile Manufacturers reported that Tesla sold 11,041 vehicles, making the US-based company the leading electric car maker in the country. Last month, most of Tesla Giga Shanghai sent 24,347 vehicles abroad, 16,137 Model 3 units, and 8,210 Model Y cars. Tesla China's export numbers would be interesting to watch as it continues to ship Model Y units to Europe. Elon Musk predicted that Model Y sales would eventually beat Model 3 sales. Giga Shanghai's future delivery numbers may reflect Musk's prediction in the coming months, friends. The Tesla CEO believes the Model Y could become the best-selling vehicle of any kind in the world by either next year or 2023. Right now, it seems that Tesla Model Y sales are getting more momentum and stronger than the Model 3 in terms of momentum, not by numbers yet. In a public note, Tesla China also noted that it exceeded 20,000 exports for the first time last month, comprised of Model 3 and Model Y. Giga Shanghai's export volume increased by 385% month over month. Recent videos from Europe show large volumes of Tesla from Giga Shanghai also being transported in the region. In both earnings calls this year, Elon Musk has mentioned the supply chain challenges challenges Tesla still faces, making Giga Shanghai's numbers quite impressive. Tesla China claimed that Giga Shanghai is indispensable. Having the supply issues of chips, it's still impressive that Giga Shanghai is doing really well in terms of exports. Giga Shanghai's strong export numbers herald a positive outlook for the rest of this quarter and maybe even the next. Given its history, Tesla China will increase its Model Y exports over time and be instrumental in meeting Europe's demand for Tesla vehicles. Speaking of heralding positive outlook for Tesla, friends, I want to make a disclaimer that I'm not a Tesla stockholder. I'm not in the stock market. This channel, Torque News, provides only impartial electric vehicle and Tesla news, so please subscribe if you are here first time. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Now, Giga Shanghai reportedly reached an annualized vehicle production rate of 450,000 Model Ys and Model 3 vehicles already, which I reported 2 days ago. It may continue to increase its production rate in this coming months. With that in mind, Tesla is more likely to exceed its 2020 guidance to deliver 500,000 vehicles at Giga Shanghai. What are your thoughts, friends, on this? Let me know. What do you think? Do you think Giga Shanghai was stopped for overhaul just because of the maintenance or because of chip shortage? And what do you think about Giga Berlin coming to rescue Giga Shanghai's export numbers, which I reported a couple of days ago? Let's continue watching Vuva's video. Vuva, this is very impressive video. We greatly appreciate and thank you for letting us to share with Torque News people. Now, any insights, guys, into what will be produced in the new buildings, additional Model Y or Model 2 as rumored? And can you confirm on the 4-day shutdown anyone who is in the area? So let me know, friends, your thoughts and in the comment section below. Tweet it out, please, or give us thumbs up. Like this video if you like the content here. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel if you are here for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. Have a great day. God bless you, everyone. And let's keep watching the rest of the video that Vuva has provided. You will have a better idea of what's going on right now at Giga Shanghai. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next report.